Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Solana from Crypto.com to a Phantom wallet step by step in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to send SOL from the Crypto.com app to a Phantom wallet. First, open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on Crypto Wallet. Next, scroll through your assets and select Solana or SOL. Once you're inside your Solana wallet, tap on Transfer, then choose Withdraw, and select External Wallet. If this is your first time sending SOL to Phantom, you'll need to whitelist the wallet address. This is a security step that makes sure your crypto only gets sent to addresses you approve. On the Add to Whitelist screen, choose Wallet Address, then select Solana as the cryptocurrency. Now, open your Phantom wallet, copy your Solana wallet address, and paste it into the address field in the Crypto.com app. Double check that the address is correct. After adding and confirming the wallet address, return to the withdrawal screen. Enter the amount of SOL you want to send to your Phantom wallet. Review all the details carefully, including the wallet address and the amount. When everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal and complete any security checks, such as email or two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, the Solana will be sent from Crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. You can check the transaction status in the app, and after the network confirms it, the SOL will appear in your Phantom wallet. And that's it. That's how you send Solana from Crypto.com to a Phantom wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.